Hey, what's up? I'm Bertrand Techman. Every week I enjoy producing tech videos or giving tech tips helping you to plug into technology. Now, before we get busy, help a tech brother out. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers, so hit that doggone subscribe button and give me a like. So, in this video, we're going to show you how you can make yourself look good on Zoom. Let's check it out.
Get strong.
So the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to open up your Zoom. When you open your Zoom, you go to Settings and you click on it. Now we're going to go to the video portion of Settings. Click on Video. Now here in the video portion of Settings, we're going to focus on the camera and the video. So first of all, you'll notice that on the camera you have this drop down menu, and it will show you all the different cameras that you have connected to your system. So for this particular one, we're going to use the HP Wide Vision HD camera. Now you have several options that you can use. You can use the original ratio, which you'll notice that some of my logo is cropped out, but you see the two black bars on the side. Now if you like that look, go with it. Or you could use the HD, high definition look, and you'll notice that it expanded out all the way to the end of the screen. You'll also notice that everything is in the screen there. Now if you wanted to rotate this, you notice this little rotate thing at the top. You click on that and you can rotate it around. The next thing we're going to look at is the mirror my video. If you want to mirror your video, you simply click on it and you see the adjustments that were made. If you want to touch up your appearance, and this is where the good stuff starts to happen. So you touch up my appearance, and you slide your slider to the right. And what that does is it smooths out your face. Notice the wrinkles, how they get smoothed out just a little bit. The next thing we want to look at is adjust for low light. Say that there's not enough light in your room, so you want to adjust. So you click on this. Now you have two different options. You can go with manual or you can go with auto. Now what auto does is it automatically adjusts your light based on the ambient light in the room. But I prefer to use manual because it gives you more control. So you click on manual. Now notice how my body will be either brightened or darkened. So I'm going to make it darker. Now I'm going to make it brighter. Darker, brighter. This has been a quick tutorial showing you how to make yourself look good on Zoom by increasing your light or touching up your appearance. If you found value in this quick tutorial, please hit that like button, subscribe, ring the bell to see my next video, share, and most importantly, comment. I'm Bertrand Techman. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video. And remember, before you do anything, always first check it out.
Get strong.